Hello, Assalamu alaikum. This is Wasimullah and welcome to my channel, that is Wasimullah Graphics and Architectural Designer. In this tutorial of Photoshop, I will show you how to use the gradient tool in Photoshop. So without wasting any time, let's jump into Adobe Photoshop. On this new document, I have taken it. Open the panel of layer, gradient. As I want to show the tool of gradient on the panel of gradients and also properties for a different color of gradient. Now this gradient tool, select from here any kind of color, whether it is this color, select this color. Now linear gradient, drag it. It makes the color of linear in linear form. Radial, radial means it in the middle it must be radial. Let me select it. This is radial, as you can see it. Middle there is circle design or shape color. Now angle, it makes an angle. Reflected, it makes the design of reflected. Diamond, it makes the size of the shape of diamond. This was a quick tip. I will be back with the next tutorial, but do subscribe my channel, that is Wasimullah Graphics and Architectural Designer. Have a good day. Bye.